There are 100,000 videos telling you AI side hustles will make you rich. Here's the truth nobody wants to say: 90% of them will waste your time and money. The promise is everywhere: make thousands of dollars a month with AI while you sleep. Faceless channels, AI-generated books, print on demand with AI art. For every success story, there are 1,000 people who bought courses, subscribed to tools, spent weeks learning, and made nothing. Today I'm breaking down the 5 AI side hustle mistakes costing you real money. Each has a specific fix. And at the end, I'll tell you the one approach that actually works in 2026. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video where I save you money. Do it now. Everyone says start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Script with ChatGPT, voice with 11 Labs, footage from Pexels, and thumbnail from Canva's AI generator. Done in an hour. Sounds easy. The person who sold you this dream? He made his money from the course, not the channel. In fact, the most profitable AI side hustle right now is selling courses about AI side hustles, not actually running them. If you want a content business, AI can help you produce faster. But it cannot replace having an actual point of view. The channels that break through have a real human voice that cuts through the generic noise. Someone posts a Stripe dashboard showing $30,000. You buy their $300 course. Then the $500 community. Then the $40 monthly tool. Then the $200 advanced masterclass. Before you've earned a cent, you've spent over $1,000. And the course content? Usually information you could find for free on YouTube. The real secret, the most profitable AI side hustle, is repeatedly selling courses about AI side hustles, not doing them. Stop buying information. Start taking action. Pick one free tool and one platform. Ship something this week. Not next month. This week. Last month everyone needed Mid-Journey. This month it's Sora. Next month something else. You're constantly chasing new tools, learning new interfaces, subscribing to new plans, and never finishing anything. Someone spends week 1 learning Mid-Journey prompts. Week 2, a better generator drops and they switch. Week 4, they have 5 subscriptions and 0 projects shipped. The winners use 2 or 3 tools they know inside and out. They have repeatable workflows. They're not learning a new video generator on Sunday night, they're editing their 5th product. Pick your stack. Master it. Stop chasing the magic new thing. If you're getting value, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. AI-generated content without human editing is painfully obvious. Generic blog posts with 0 personality and the same sentence structure everyone's seen 100 times. Robotic narration where every sentence has the exact same inflection. Stock photos your customers have already scrolled past on 5 other identical listings. They can feel when there's no human behind the product. I ran a test to prove this. Published an AI-generated Etsy product listing completely raw, ChatGPT wrote the title and description, AI generated the image, default pricing. 0 sales in 2 weeks. Then I rewrote everything in my own voice, took an actual photo with my phone, and added a short personal story about why I made the product. Sales started within 3 days. The money isn't in the generation phase. It's in the polish. That extra hour editing AI output until it actually sounds like you. Replacing a generic image with something real. Adding your specific perspective that nobody else has. AI gets you to 80% completion in 10 minutes. The last 20% takes an hour of real human work. That hour is where the actual money lies, and almost nobody wants to do it. This kills most AI side hustles before they start. AI is not a replacement for skill. It's a force multiplier for people who already have skills. A terrible writer with ChatGPT still produces generic, forgettable text. But a decent writer with ChatGPT produces 10 times faster with quality maintained. No design sense plus Midjourney still gives generic images. A real designer plus Midjourney is a superpower. The people making real money in 2026? Copywriters who learn to prompt. Video editors who added AI to their workflow. Artists who use AI as a collaborator. They had a skill first, then added AI. Get good at something. Master a craft. Then add AI. That order matters more than any tool or course. So here's the honest truth about AI side hustles in 2026. Most courses are traps. Most channels are saturated. Most tools are distractions. But there is real money to be made if you stop looking for shortcuts and start treating AI as something that amplifies real skills. Subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering 5 AI productivity tools that actually save time, no hype, just what I use every day. The subscribe button is right there. Tap it. See you tomorrow. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. I promise it's worth your time. What AI side hustle flopped for you? Drop it in the comments.